Want to scale your Spotify campaigns on autopilot without spending hours on proxies, Captchas, and endless sign-up forms? Whether you need dozens or thousands of accounts, PVACreator is the ultimate solution. Let's dive right in and see how it works. Click on Bind Proxy to import your proxy list. Next, head over to Email Info. Spotify signups don't actually require email verification codes, so all you need to do is fill in the email address. What about all the common info like names, genders, or birthdays? You can leave all of those completely blank. PVACreator will automatically generate realistic details for you. To handle those annoying bot checks, just enter your YesCaptcha API key in the settings. PVACreator will seamlessly bypass all CAPTCHAs without you lifting a finger. I highly recommend adding Edge browser to the software and setting it as your default browser. It offers fantastic compatibility and significantly boosts your overall registration success rate. The setup is complete. Let's start the campaign. Honestly, doing this manually is a total nightmare. What I love about PVACreator is how it acts like a real person browsing, so you're not burning through your proxies, and the success rate is just ridiculously good. By the way, if you need premium accounts instead of free ones, you can upgrade to PVACreator Spotify Premium version. Then just throw in your card details, and it'll upgrade them after registration. Automated, reliable, and super efficient, PVACreator is the ultimate tool for marketers. Click the link in the description right now to get started and boost your campaigns today.